Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I am Constance and thank you very much for joining me in the next episode of our English class. In this lesson we're going to be talking about linking words and phrases. Linking words and phrases. And if this is your very first time here, I am so glad to have you here and to let you know that you are welcome. I hope you enjoy this class and tune in for other lessons. All right, linking words and phrases would be our topic today. So what are linking words? You might ask, what are linking words? Linking words and phrases are used to show relationship between ideas. They are used to show relationship between ideas. They are used to join two or more sentences or clauses. They are used to join two or more sentences and clauses. Linking words can be used to give results, add information, summarize, give illustrations, emphasize a point, sequence information, compare and contrast ideas. Compare and contrast ideas. So as you have seen here, I've underlined in red the different listing that you can use with linking words and phrases. However, today we're only going to be using or dealing with giving a result, right? Giving a result. And I have what, 8 examples here that you can pull from in giving a result while linking phrases and clauses. Our very first sentence reads, her daughter died. All right, there's no explanation for that. Her daughter died. As a result, she became depressed. As a result, she became depressed. Can you identify the linking word here? All right, or words. As a result, something happened. So you remember we said we're dealing with giving results. So as a result, she became very depressed, right? Let's see number 2. They lived in Spain for years. They lived in Spain for years. As a consequence of that, they speak Spanish quite fluently. As a result of living in Spain for years, they speak Spanish quite fluently. So it has a consequence, right? That is the reason why they can speak Spanish fluently, because they were living in Spain for many years. So has a consequence would be the linking word. Would be the linking words. In this case, words. Right? Let's see number 3. Sarah and her friends have not saved up enough money. Full stop. Sarah and her friends have not saved up enough money. Therefore, they are unable to travel to Dubai for the summer. Therefore, they are unable to travel to Dubai for the summer. So, therefore is what would link the two different sentences or the two different clauses together, right? Therefore would be the word which links the two sentences together. In this place, there are two separate sentences. Sarah and her friends have not saved up enough money. That's full stop. Therefore, additional information is being added, which we use the linking word to add that additional information. They are unable to travel to Dubai for the summer. Now let's see number 4. Maxie only leased the land. Maxie is the name of a person. Maxie only leased the land. Thus, it's impossible for her to put up a permanent structure. Maxie only leased the land, thus it is impossible for her to put up a permanent structure. So in this case, the word thus would be the linking word. It is linking what? The two different sentences together, right? It is linking, it's giving you more information. Maxie only leased the land, that is one point, and the one idea. The second idea is thus it is impossible for her to put up a permanent structure on the land because she what? Only leased it. Number 5, the river has been spayed for weeks. The river has been spayed for weeks and consequently leaving tons of debris on the bridges around town. Leaving tons of debris on the bridges around town. So consequently here is the word, is the linking word for this sentence. It's the linking word for this sentence or idea, all right? The river has been spayed for weeks and consequently leaving tons of debris on the bridges around town. So you see, you get additional information. The linking word is what? Helping to give you additional information about what idea or the idea that you, about what is happening or the idea you're trying to express. Alright, where are we? I think we're at number 6. The chef gave the students extra pizza. The chef gave the students extra pizza, hence they left his shop happy. Hence they left his shop happy. So the chef gave the student extra pizza. That's the first idea or the first point or a full sentence. To get additional or to give additional information, we're going to use the linking word. What happened when they received that extra pizza? They left the shop happy, but we use the linking word hence. They left the shop happy. All right? So let's see what number 7 says. For this reason, they are not fit to be on the football team. For this reason, they are not fit to be on the football team. What is the reason they are not fit to be on the football team? So here you have two different ideas, two different clauses going. So for this reason, whatever the reason might be, write this. For this reason right here, right? That is the reason why they are not fit to be on the football team. So this is the linking clause. This is the linking clause, and it's what? Showing result. There's a result. It's a reason why. And what is the result? What happened? Why they cannot be on the football team, whatever that reason be. But the result of that reason, they are not fit to be on the football team. Whatever they did, the result of that is preventing them from being on the football team. Right? Whatever they did is preventing them from being on the football team. Hence, you have what? A result. The result would be whatever they did, they are not fit to be on the football team. So that is the reason why they are not being able to be on the football team. That is the result. That is the outcome of the problem or the matter. So let's see number 8. Due to the punctured tire on the school bus, due to the punctured tire on the school bus, the children were late for their classes. Due to the punctured tire on the school bus, the children were late for their classes. So you have a cause and effect situation, right? A cause. The punctured was the punctured the tire was punctured. Sorry, the tire was punctured. That is the cause, and the reason or the result is what? Or the effect of that is the children were late for their classes. That would be the effect. The children were late for their classes. So the punctured tire is the cause why they were late for their classes. And so that is the what? That is the result, right? They were late for their classes would be the result. So to have the linking word together, you say due to. So due to would be the linking word. So that is what we're trying to find out. The linking word. In this case, it's linking words. So it's due to that fact. Due to that fact. Due to the tire being punctured. Right? Due to the fact that the tire had been punctured, the children were late for their classes. So this is the end of this session, guys. I hope you have learned something from this lesson that will help you do better in your understanding or in your exams, I should say, or even know how to use linking words. We'll go through some more linking words further down the road, all right? But I hope it has drive home the point to you of how to use linking words or how to join them in your sentence or even identify them in your sentence when they are placed in your exams. All right, my name is Constance and I thank you for joining me in this lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so whenever I post the video, you will be the first to have it. Check the description box for my merch for my book, Orphans of a New Dawn, and my new t-shirt, Born to Win, my new collection, I should say, Born to Win, that is being sold on Spring. I hope you give your support there as well. Once again, my name is Constance, and I look forward to you joining me in my next class. Until then, bye-bye.